Boy, howdy, it sure is coming down. Hey there, everybody. Your pal Jonathan Baker here. And yes, I am doing a remake video of what's going on right now. We are just getting some pretty good thunderstorms right now. Yeah. Right now, for safety, I parked my car right there. Hopefully, if we even get some hail tonight, even the big size, it'll bounce off the house and most likely it will protect my car just a little bit. Yeah. So you may know the wind is blowing, the lightning is flashing, the rain is falling. So yeah. It's basically a funny night. You know? Call me crazy. Oh, that wind is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Don't touch metal. Yeah, so anyway, I don't want to touch metal during a lightning storm because that could be really dangerous. Hmm. Thank you for calling me crazy. But I guess that's just me. Guess I like to see the flashes of lightning real close. See the wind is blowing and stuff. The car is right there. It's getting a car wash. So yeah, I put it there for one reason. It's to protect it from the hail if we get some. Yeah. So anyway, we're still under a thunderstorm warning, as you may know. And parts of town lost electricity already. So basically they're getting the worst of it. We're about to get the worst of it. If there's a possibility that that could happen. So yeah. Lightning is flashing. My car's getting rained on. All the cars are getting rained on. They don't have no nice shelter. But yeah, I'm gonna... Never mind. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway. Oh! Ow! I'm going back upstairs. Yep. No, you can't see nothing, but it's pretty dark up here. Why are these blinds turned out wrong? You can't turn them that way. They have to go one way, that's all. Huh? Kinda weird. Yeah, I know. And here's the other part. Yeah. Well, basically right now we're not getting the bad stuff. We should be getting it later. Just don't make noise. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, walking back into my house, back into my room and stuff. And hopefully we shouldn't have so many problems. Oh. Yeah, it's okay with me. Yeah, so anyway, I think it's pretty funny how lightning storms can be. Yeah, could be very funny. Are you still there? A V2? Did you just heard what he just called me? This donkey on the mic just called me a cactus. Oh yeah? Well, you're a cactus. Art, what did you just say? You cactus? Oh, so mine is a... Oh, okay. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna end... No? What was that? Ah, I get the lightsabers mixed up pretty good. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna close the video down here. Post a like on this video if you like it. View the discretion in the comments. Or whatever I just said. But anyway, just... Who the heck are you laughing at, you cactus? Anyway. Always remember, rock and roll. Keep it rigid.